This 2022 Winnebago Adventurer 36C is a Class A RV. It is located in Corinth, Texas, 76210 and is offered for sale by McClain's RV Superstore. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Winnebago is 36 feet 11 inches in length and features sleeps 8, air conditioning, carbon monoxide detector, stovetop burner, LP detector, leveling jacks, refrigerator, auxiliary battery, water heater, TV, smoke detector, and 93 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class A features front living area, mid-kitchen, rear bath. This 2022 Winnebago Adventurer 36C is built on a Ford chassis. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.